Good morning to all. So today I am going to tell you the blueprint of first year intermediate English syllabus. So coming to the blueprint, so the question paper pattern is divided into three sections: section A, section B, and also section C. Section A covers all the annotations and question answers. So coming to the first prose, three annotations will be given. From that three annotations, two annotations you have to attempt, and each carries 4 marks. So 2 into 4, 8 marks it carries. Next, coming to the poetry annotations, three annotations will be given to you. From that three annotations you have to attempt 2, and each one carries 4 marks, and 2 into 4 it gives you 8 marks. Next, coming to the prose, you have to attempt the question and answers. From 3 questions you have to attempt 2 question and answers. Here also the same marks will carried. 2 into 4, 8 marks. Coming to the poetry, question and answers will be given, and from 3 question and answers you have to attempt 2 question and answers, and it also carries 2 into 4, total 8 marks. Next, coming to the short stories, you don't cover annotations from short stories, only question and answers being covered from short stories. 3 questions will be given to you from the short stories, and you have to attempt 2 questions from that, and 2 into 4, total 8 marks you will be able to receive. So coming to the section A, total 40 marks you will be able to gain. Next, coming to the section B, you will be having comprehension passages. So comprehension passages, seen comprehension passage, and unseen comprehension passages. So coming to the seen comprehension passages, short stories covers on total 3 passages from each lesson. So you need to just go through those passages. One comprehension passage will be given to you, and total 6 questions will be given, and 4 into 1 you will be able to receive 4 marks over there. Next, coming to the unseen passages which have been given from the back side of your text. So these comprehension passages also 6 questions being given to you, and you have to attempt 4 questions. Next, coming to the section C, it all covers the grammar part, grammar usage, and all the other things which you cover in your textbook. Matching the meanings. So total 10 matching meanings will be given to you. From that you have to attempt 8, and each one carries 4 marks. Next, parts of speech, 10 parts of speech given to you, and you have to attempt 8, and each one carries half mark there also for you. And next, articles. So articles which are being given from your text exercises, so those are being covered over here, and 10 topics are being given, 10 parts of speech being given to you as a comprehension passage, not a passage. So a passage being given to you from the text. So it also covers total 8 marks, 10 out of 8 you have to attempt, and each one carries half mark. Next, coming to the prepositions. So prepositions also 10 prepositions being given to you. Out of 10 you have to attempt 8, and each one carries half mark. Next to that, tenses. Tenses also being given to you, present tense, past tense, and future tense, verb forms given. So from that 6 you have to attempt 4. Each one carries 1 mark. And next, transformation of the sentences. So here, transformation of the sentences, voices are being covered, reported speech, that is direct speech and indirect speech, and question tags are also being covered over here. Next, total 6 will be given to you, and you have to attempt 4, and each one carries 1 mark here. Next, correction of the sentences being given in your exercises, those all will be covered. So from 6 you have to attempt 4, and it is very scoring for you to just pass through the examination. Next, spellings, missing letters. Here also 10 will be given to you, and from that 10 you have to attempt 8, and each one carries 4 marks. Next to that, silent letters. 10 silent letters being given to you, and you have to attempt 8 from that. Each one carries half mark. Phonetic transcription. So it is also very scoring for you. Easily you will be able to identify the phonetic transcription. So each one carries 1 mark here. 6 phonetic transcription words will be given to you, and you have to attempt 4 over here, and 4 you will be able to score over here. Next, odd sounds out. So 3 words will be given there, and from that 3 word pronunciation you have to circle the differently pronounced word. Here also you will be given 6 questions will be given to you, and you have to attempt 4, and 4 into 1 4 marks. And next is syllables, syllabic structure. So it's whether it's a monosyllabic, disyllabic, trisyllabic or polysyllabic. Here also 6 questions will be given to you, and you have to attempt 4 from this, and it is very scoring. Each one carries 1 mark. Next, information transfer. Here information transfer, a paragraph will be given to you, and they may ask you to just write prepare a table, or a table will be given to you, or they may ask you to write a paragraph. So in that way, pie chart, information transfer, pie chart, tables. Next, information transfer, all the information transfer which is being covered over here, it will be given to you, and you have to attempt any one. Here is a choice will be given, and each one carries 4 marks. So total 20 sections. So from this 20 sections, section A covers 5, that is prose, poetry, short story, annotations and question and answers. Section B covers comprehension passages, 6 and 7 questions. Section C covers 8 to 20 questions. So here is the pattern for the paper 1 English syllabus. Thank you.